Welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Some time ago I posted a video on how to remove the license plate holder on the front of my Chevy Equinox, and to my surprise the video did very well. And I had two vehicles that had actually come from California, and they had front license plates. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front license plate and the holder, and these vehicles are a 2010 Dodge Charger and a 1997 Honda CR-V. Alright, the first thing we're going to do to make this car look better is we are going to remove the California license plate. Wow, she's already looking better. As you can see, this bumper's already got issues. I'm not real worried about these holes it's going to leave behind. I do have another bumper to put on this, but I'm not sure if I'm just going to repair this one or if I'm going to repair and paint the other one to match and swap it out. I'm trying to decide how much money I'm going to put into this car. So yeah, I would say that looks better than it did before. Let's see if we can make this work on another vehicle. Alright, so here we have another front license plate that happens to be from California. Let's see what it looks like when we remove the California plate. This is a Honda CR-V, by the way, and the last car was a 2010 Dodge Charger. We still have one more bolt right here. Okay, so we just got a little bit of cleanup, but I think I'm starting to notice a trend here. If you have a car with California plates on it and you take them off, it looks better. All kidding aside, it does look better to me, in my opinion, to not have a front license plate. So I just want to show you how quick and easy it usually is to remove a license plate holder if there's one on a car that you purchased and you think it's ugly, but you've never really tried to take it off. I do have another video I'll put in the link below or in the description below, and also if you're watching this on a phone, you should see a link pop up for it. And on that video, they're actually it's metal rivets, and I just show you how to pull those out. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and see what it looks like when we're done. Alright, we got it cleaned up. Now you do see there's some holes here. One thing that you can do to minimize the appearance of these holes is take a razor blade and you can just shear off that part where it's protruding. So it looks a little bit better. It's not perfect. You can put screws back in there if you wanted to close up the hole.